Welcome to this instructional video for the Rink 1010. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the most important procedures and tips for effectively using this machine. Safety instructions. This video does not replace the manual. For safe operation, always read and fully understand the operator's manual before using the machine, paying close attention to the safety instructions. Incorrect operation may lead to injury or damage. It is important to only operate the machine on synthetic or natural grass. Always switch off the tractor during adjustments and repairs. Always wear suitable personal protective equipment, including protective gloves, steel-toe safety boots, long trousers, and close-fitting workwear without any loose items. Visual check. Before using the machine, always inspect it for any visible damage or defects, and make sure all components are properly tightened before starting work. Regular checks during operation are equally important, as loose components can reduce performance and create a safety risk. Carrying out these inspections regularly is essential for safe operation and consistent performance. Connecting and leveling. Connect the Rink 1010 to the tractor using the rear hitch linkage by carefully backing the tractor's hitch to the drawbar. Lower the drawbar into the hitch and secure the pin. Once attached, raise the jockey wheel and secure. Ensure that the Rink 1010 sits at 90 degrees when attached. Connect the hydraulic couplers to the correct outlets and make sure a constant oil flow is available. The tractor's engine speed may need to be increased to achieve the correct hydraulic flow. Allow a few minutes for the hydraulic oil pressure and temperature to reach the correct operating levels. Check that the tires are in good condition and set the tire pressure to 0.65 bar or 9 psi. Hopper filling and belt adjustment. Fully fill the hopper and engage the belt. If the belt slips, tension the bearing carrier until it rotates. Use the regulator to set the conveyor belt to the correct speed. A higher belt speed applies more material. As the brush wears down over time, it can be adjusted to maintain the correct position. The belt can be adjusted to account for wear on the bristles. Start procedure. Drive forwards at a steady speed, up to a maximum of 7 kilometers per hour, or 4 miles per hour. Engage the hydraulics and adjust the belt speed to achieve the desired result. Always maintain a consistent forward speed when making adjustments, as changes in speed will affect the result. Stop procedure. Disengage the tractor hydraulics to stop both the belt and the brush on the top dresser, ensuring accurate application and reducing spillage. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Redexim Rink 1010. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, don't forget to consult the manual in the black tube on the machine or at redexim.com. And of course, your local Redexim representative is always available to help and ensure you are well supported.